Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this BMW 3 Series. This is a 320 X-Drive 2014 and it won't start. My battery is gone a little bit flat, so I'm gonna try to jump start it. So I'm just gonna show you where the jump starting points are. So if you get your bonnet open, you need to pull that twice to get the bonnet open. So just gonna switch the ignition off, and once you pull that lever there twice, then you can actually open the bonnet here. And the jump starting points are, we have the positive here, so just sitting there. So that's where we would connect the positive side of the jump starter, and the negative side is right here. So I'm just gonna get my jump starter. Okay, so this is the jump starter I'm using. This one is a good one because you can switch on and off from here. Others don't have an on and off switch, and you just they're live always, so you have to be careful. So I'm just gonna connect my positive side there, and then the negative. That's gonna read the voltage of the car. At the moment it's about 11.3, so hopefully this is gonna help it a little bit, because this is not working great. It's a few years old now, so I actually hope I can start it. As you can see, it's not really giving out that much voltage, but it might help. So anyway, that's how, or the points where to connect it. If you are using jump leads from another car, then obviously you want to make sure that your negative goes to the negative side of the other car, and your positive goes to the positive side of the other car. But I'm just concentrating on showing you the points in this case scenario, and try to get this car going. Okay, so that worked, and of course there was enough battery in the car to open the car. But if you didn't have enough battery and your car wouldn't open, then you need to use the emergency key, which is within this fob. If you press that little button there, you're actually, if you press that button, the one there, you can actually take the key out, and that key obviously would go in here. So obviously if your car was completely dead, then you would use the key to access it, just like that. So anyway, having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.